Look up at the night sky. Now imagine. Two moons, not one. Two glowing orbs drifting silently above, casting twin shadows across the earth. What would change? The tides? The sky? Us? What if Earth had two moons? Let's start with the basics. Our single moon already plays a huge role in shaping life on Earth. It controls the tides, stabilizes our axial tilt, and slows our rotation over time. It's not just a glowing decoration, it's part of the machinery that keeps our planet in balance. Now add a second moon. Let's call it Luna 2. Slightly smaller than our current moon, orbiting farther out. What would happen? First, the tides. The moon's gravity tugs at our oceans, creating the rhythmic rise and fall of tides. With two moons, the gravitational pull on Earth's waters would be more complex, stronger, more chaotic, and often unpredictable. Some regions might see enormous tidal waves, others strange tidal patterns with double highs and double lows. Coastal life, marine ecosystems, and even human settlements would have evolved differently, perhaps built around the rhythm of two moons instead of one. And what about the sky? Imagine standing under a twilight sky as both moons rise together, one pale and full, the other a sliver of silver. Sometimes they'd appear side by side, other times they'd drift apart, crossing paths in elegant, slow-motion dances. Nights would be brighter, sometimes nearly as luminous as early dawn. Full moons from both could create dual shadows, eerie and dreamlike. Human culture would change too. Myths, calendars, even religions might be shaped by the twin moons. We might have developed a lunar calendar that tracked both cycles. Festivals when both moons were full. Superstitions when they aligned. Ancient people saw meaning in a single moon. Imagine the poetry, the mystery, the power of two. But there's more than beauty in this cosmic what if. A second moon could affect Earth's rotation. The gravitational tug-of-war between two lunar bodies might cause more wobble in our axial tilt. Seasons could shift more dramatically. Climates might be more volatile. Over thousands or millions of years, these tiny nudges could create big changes, altering weather, ocean currents, even the evolution of species. There's even the question of orbital stability. Two moons orbiting the same planet is tricky business. If they were too close together, they could collide, break apart, or sling one another into space. Some simulations suggest they'd need very specific orbits to avoid gravitational chaos. Otherwise, we might not have two moons for long. And what if the second moon were smaller and closer? Things could get more dramatic. Lunar eclipses would become more frequent and more complex. The sky might feature multiple eclipses in a single month. Earthquakes and volcanic activity could be amplified by the added gravitational stress. Certain zones of the planet might be constantly shifting, pulled between the competing forces of two orbiting giants. Yet, in spite of the challenges, some things might remain familiar. Life on Earth would have adapted. We would have told stories, made art, built science around our double-mooned world. Because that's what we do, look up and wonder. So, what if Earth had two moons? The tides would roar louder. The nights would glow brighter. Our myths would be richer. Our calendars more complex. And the delicate balance that supports life might have shifted, just enough to change everything. But in this reality, we have one moon, a perfect partner in the sky, a constant reminder that even in darkness there is rhythm, there is order, and there is wonder. Still, it's a fascinating thought, isn't it?
The sweeping insensitivity of the